100%. They come from a broken home that, you know, for fun, my dad would get beat up by his dad and his 8 brothers and sisters, and my mom's 8 sisters and brothers. Like, that's what the dads did in the household. They would get wasted and beat the kids with whatever objects they could find. So they didn't know how to, and that lineage has just, you know, gone on and gone on. So when I popped out and we did it, they didn't know how to love or how to show emotion. My mom was never told by her dad that he loved her for, you know, her entire life. So they didn't know how to love. So for me, how my parents would deal with anything was violence, or was by that.
Do you think that affects you to this day? Or
100%.